Before we dive into today's tutorial, I have an exciting announcement to share. After 60 days of consistent uploads and dedication to bringing you valuable content, I've received my very first Ko-Fi donation. A huge thank you to Fivem for this incredibly kind gesture. Your support not only motivates me, but also fuels my passion to create and share more insightful videos with all of you. In today's video, we're tackling an innovative change to our Fivem server, transforming cash and Blackmoney into tangible items. This significant evolution in how transactions and money handling are managed within the game promises to enhance realism and immersion. However, such a transformation has far-reaching implications, affecting everything from player interactions to the underlying database. Given the magnitude of this change, I strongly recommend everyone to back up their resource folder before proceeding. This precaution ensures that you have a safe point to return to, should you need to revert any changes. To embark on this exciting update for your Fivem server, head over to our GitHub page, where you can find the necessary package. We've made access easy for you by placing the link right in the video description. Once you arrive at the page, download the package, and then proceed to unzip it. Inside, you'll discover all the essential files needed for this enhancement. Copy these files and paste them into the server repository of your choice. To maintain clarity and ease of navigation within your server's file system, it's a good practice to rename each folder, removing the main suffix. This small step helps in keeping your server's directory tidy and organized, setting the stage for a smooth integration of cash and Blackmoney as tangible items into your game. Embarking on the integration of Blackmoney as a tangible currency within your Fivem server is a detailed process that can significantly enhance the server's economy and realism. Following the guidelines provided in the GitHub repository's README, here's a streamlined approach to accomplish this. Configuration in qbcore. Start by visiting the qbcore/config directory. Locate the section where the currency is defined and paste the code snippets from GitHub. This action integrates Blackmoney into your server's economy as an officially recognized currency. Adding items, return to GitHub to acquire the item definitions for cash and Blackmoney. Insert these definitions into qbcore shared items.lua. While you have the flexibility to position these items as per your preference, maintaining an organized structure is advisable for easier management and reference. Updating inventory images. The script folder you've downloaded contains images for the new items. Incorporate these images into your inventory system by copying them into inventory/html/images. This ensures players have a visual representation of cash and Blackmoney items within their inventory, enhancing user experience and interaction. Inventory configuration. Copy additional configuration lines from GitHub that relate to the inventory system. These configurations are crucial for supporting new features like MH stashes and defining the available space in car trunks. Insert these lines into the inventory config file to broaden your inventory system's capabilities, making it compatible with the newly added items. Next steps are defined in the script folder, so open the script folder, then open the README. Setting up qbHUD. To ensure the HUD accurately reflects transactions involving Blackmoney, start by inserting local black amount =0 into qbHUD/client, preferably around line 15. Following this, replace existing code with the lines pertaining to the net event, found on read.me, and go to line 863 in HUD client. Look for a similar code block and paste your copied lines here. Continue this same process with additional README instructions, targeting line 886 for the next event replacement. Moving forward in enhancing our Fivem server's functionality, our next step involves integrating code within the qbhud/server directory to ensure our server side aligns perfectly with the newly added features. Server-side integration. Head over to the qbhud/server folder. From the instructions provided in the README on GitHub, copy the designated code snippet meant for server-side implementation. Within your server's qbhud/server directory, find line 10 or the recommended location as per the README guidance. Paste the copied code here to integrate the new functionality seamlessly into the server's operations and display the enhanced economic features we're introducing. Updating app.js. The next phase involves adjustments in the HUD.html app.js file to complement the server-side changes. Copy another code snippet provided in the README, specifically tailored for this purpose. Integration in app.js. Navigate to HUD.html app.js and locate line 622 or the section highlighted in the README. Paste the copied snippet into this file. This integration ensures that the client-side HUD reflects the updates and functions in harmony with the server-side enhancements. For precise copying and pasting instructions, including the exact placement and integration of these snippets, please refer to the tutorial video. This visual guide provides detailed steps and clarifications, ensuring a smooth and accurate update process. Next step is to add code snippet to qbhud HTML index TML. Copy the code and paste in line 205. Continuing with the enhancements to our Fivem server, we're now focusing on updating the inventory system to align with the new features we've introduced. First, consult the QB inventory documentation provided in the README on script folder. This guide is crucial as it contains the necessary code snippets and detailed instructions for integrating changes into your inventory system. Next, navigate to both the client and server sides of the inventory script. You'll want to incorporate the first code snippet into the client main around line 130. This integration is essential for ensuring that the inventory system functions smoothly with the enhancements, providing a seamless experience for users. For the next step in updating your Fivem server's inventory system, we'll focus on modifying specific lines of code on the client side. To ensure accuracy in this process, start by copying the first line of the code snippet provided in the documentation. Use this line as a search query within the client-side script to locate the exact line that needs replacement. Once you've identified the correct location, carefully compare both the first and last lines with those in the documentation to ensure a perfect match. The next step involves adding a specific line of code within an event on the server side of your Fivem server script. To accurately place this addition, start by using the search function in your server-side script file to locate the exact event where the line needs to be inserted. Once you've found the event by searching with the code snippet provided in the documentation, carefully insert the new line in the designated spot between the existing lines of code. Ensure that this insertion is precise and aligns with the instructions provided. Following this, you will encounter another similar task, where you need to add a line within a different event following the same process. Search for the event on the server side using the provided snippet as your query, find the correct location, and then accurately insert the additional line as instructed. Continuing with the integration process, we follow a similar method as before. Begin by copying the first line of the significant code snippet provided in the documentation. This line will be your key to locating the correct section within the server main file of your Fivem server's script. Once you've initiated the search within the server main file using the first line of the code as your query, identify the precise location where this large snippet needs to be placed. Pay close attention to both the first and last lines of the snippet to ensure you're integrating it correctly. Given the size and complexity of this snippet, it's crucial to approach this step with care to avoid any confusion and ensure that the code is integrated seamlessly into your server's existing script. For the final step in our update process, we encounter a situation similar to the previous ones, where you'll need to copy a specific line of code and find its corresponding location within your script to replace it. It's crucial at this stage to refer to the video tutorial closely, as it provides detailed visual guidance on how to accurately perform these actions. After successfully locating the section of the script that needs updating, proceed with the replacement, ensuring that you carefully match the beginning and ending of the snippet as shown in the video. This careful alignment is key to maintaining the integrity and functionality of your script. Once you have completed these replacements, take a moment to review and save all the files you've edited. Saving these changes is a critical step that finalizes the integration of new features into your server, ensuring that all modifications are properly stored and will be reflected in your Fivem server's operation. To ensure the script is functioning correctly on your Fivem server, a practical test involving a simple transaction, such as withdrawing cash from a bank, is a good starting point. However, during the preparation of this tutorial, it was discovered that there was an issue with the handling of Blackmoney within the script. The creator of the script has since addressed this issue by updating the package, which includes renaming the item associated with Blackmoney to a new identifier. For those of you implementing this script for the first time, there's no need for concern. Simply proceed with the steps outlined in this tutorial, which are designed to guide you through the integration process with the updated script package. If you're an existing user of this script and have previously integrated it into your server, you'll need to take an additional step to ensure compatibility with the latest update. Open your server's entire resource folder and conduct a search and replace operation for the Blackmoney item name, updating it to the new name specified in the latest version of the script package. In addition to updating the item name for Blackmoney in your Fivem server's script, it's crucial to remember to also update the corresponding image to match the new item name. With these updates, withdrawing money from the bank now rewards players with cash as an item. This innovative approach allows players to physically hold cash in their inventory, enabling them to use this cash item for transactions in shops seamlessly. It's a realistic touch that adds depth to the server's economic interactions. However, as the script's creator has mentioned, the current implementation primarily utilizes marked bills for transactions involving Blackmoney. To fully integrate Blackmoney into your server's economy, especially for transactions that traditionally use marked bills, adjustments will need to be made within the scripts that handle these transactions. For those looking to add Blackmoney directly into a player's inventory, the command /setMoney can be used, with the type of money specified as Blackmoney. This command allows for easy and immediate addition of Blackmoney to a player's inventory, providing a straightforward solution for admins and players alike to interact with this aspect of the server's economy. And that wraps up our tutorial on integrating cash and Blackmoney as tangible items within your Fivem server. We've gone through the essential steps of updating item names, ensuring visual consistency with updated images, and seamlessly incorporating these items into the server's economic system. This approach not only enhances the realism of financial transactions, but also broadens the scope of interactions players can have within the game. Remember, adapting to the script updates, especially regarding Blackmoney transactions, may require some adjustments to your current setup. But with the guidelines provided, you're well equipped to make these changes smoothly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Your engagement and feedback drive the content we create, aiming to enrich your Fivem server experience. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more guides and updates. Your support is greatly appreciated. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to elevate your server. Until next time, happy gaming and continue to build immersive experiences for your community. A quick update on our Discord community. The Exquis, previously a separate entity within our main Discord, has now been integrated into a single unified platform. I'm thrilled to introduce Coden, our dedicated Fivem developer hub. With over 650 active users and developers, Coden serves as a vibrant space for those seeking assistance and those eager to lend their expertise. In an effort to streamline support and collaboration, I've restructured the Discord to cater to specific frameworks, making it easier for members to find the help they need. Additionally, I've set up forums where I'll be sharing my latest videos directly, ensuring you have hassle-free access to new script links without the interruption of ads. The extra user forum also provides a space for members to exchange free scripts, request videos on specific topics, and we also have developers who creates custom vehicles and Vinewood logo sign from scratch. Coden is not just a hub for sharing knowledge. It's a community where creativity and collaboration thrive. We're also on the lookout for moderators to help maintain a supportive and engaging environment. So, if you're passionate about Fivem development, eager to learn, share, or simply be part of an active developer community, Coden is the place for you. Join us and be part of our growing Fivem Developer Hub. Your journey to mastering Fivem development starts here.